This is how my student is gonna make over $380,000 for one deal. All right, everybody, this is my friend and student Vitaly. He dropped out of high school at 14 years old, and today he is building new construction in Seattle. Today, we're gonna spend some time with you so you guys can watch basically how my man found this property, what did he pay for this property, what did it cost him to build, what did it cost for plans, permit, how long did that take, and then what's the process on building a detached ADU today, and we're gonna break down the whole entire number A to Z so that you guys know exactly how he did it, how much it cost, how much profit he's making. All right, Vitaly, today you build houses. What did you do before all this?
When I was 14 years old, I dropped out of high school and I went to work with my dad. We did new construction siding installation for new construction builders, investors.
How many homes did you guys work on all these years?
4 to 5 years. It took us around close to 2,000 projects.
So you worked on over 2,000 property, right? Doing a lot of the siding for a lot of the buildings in Seattle. And then what happened?
My dad, he decided to go do semi-truck business, and I become basically solo ownership of the company.
And today, your company, right? Do you guys do for other people? Do you build for other people? Because this is your own personal project. Do you also build for other people still?
Yeah, we do both. We do personal, I do personal projects, and we do for clients as well.
And do you do what, new construction, rehab? What is your niche?
Mostly we're specializing for new construction, but we also take projects, rehabs, and remodels.
All right, Vitaly, let's start from the beginning, bro. How did you find this property? How many bedroom and bath with this house? What did you do to this house? And how big is this whole yard?
I found this property through a wholesaler I know. This house was basically in a very bad shape. We remodeled the roof, new windows, new exterior doors, new siding. Inside they had 3 bedroom and 1 bath, very ugly, small kitchen. We basically redid the kitchen a new level. We had unfinished basement. We finished the basement, we had another kitchen, another bedroom, another bathroom, separate washer and dryer from the upstairs. So total right now we have 4 beds, 3 bathrooms and 2 kitchens.
Okay, good. So whoever buys this is gonna basically have an option to actually live upstairs and rent the basement out.
Yes, correct.
Okay. How big is this house, roughly?
This house, it was 1,900 square feet.
Yep.
Before unfinished basement.
Yep.
And now with the finished basement, it's around close to 2,400 square feet.
Okay, so big size.
Yes.
How big is the lot?
The lot is 7,400 square feet.
That's a big lot. No wonder why you can do the backyard thing. All right, so let's talk about the house, okay? You pretty much redid the whole entire house, everything, inside out, finished the basement.
Yes.
What does it cost you to rehab this whole thing? You bought this for how much?
$675.
And then how much cost you to rehab the whole entire thing?
$180K.
So $180K, so you're looking about almost $850,000 all in on this.
Yes.
How did you finance this? How much money did you put down on this?
I put $160K down payment, and I got hard money loan.
Yep. And what are you paying for interest carry costs for this whole thing? How long is it taking you to build this?
This took me a little over 7 months with all the permits and all the inspections, everything.
Yep.
All the rehab, not the rehab, but the
interest carry costs?
Interest rate carry costs, yeah. For all the time, it took us around $50K.
So $50K. So basically at the end of the day, it's gonna take you 7 months to do all this, and you be all in for about $900,000. Purchase price, rehab, and interest carry costs.
Yes, correct.
Okay, good, I like it. So let's talk about you're selling this.
Yes.
Because it doesn't make sense to keep it as a rental, because it won't cash flow, right? So it's okay to sell these, right? I'm always saying to people that if the property makes sense to rent, you keep it as rental. If the property don't make sense, then you sell it, okay? So what is the ARV? When this is all done, how much is this thing worth, do you think you can sell this for?
Around 1.1 million.
So 1.1 million. So if you sold for 1.1 million and you minus all commission closing costs minus 950, you could easily clear probably $100,000 on this property, easy.
Yes.
You know, in the Seattle market, right, these are the big play, the detached ADU. This is where the big money is, because in Seattle and now California, state of California, they actually, when you built the ADU, the detached ADU, they give you 2 separate tax ID number, and you can sell them separately, like 2 individual houses. And just so you guys know, it's coming across America to all the big high density city. California just got approved of it. Seattle been leading this now, And this is where the big money is. Because when they get appraised as a house, and they get appraised as another house or a smaller house. This is where the big money is. So, bro, let's talk about the breakdown on this. How many square feet is this detached ADU?
This DADU has 1,000 square feet living, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths.
What did it cost you for the land to build this?
Nothing, free.
And why is it free?
Because it came with the house.
That's right. That's the benefit, folks, when you know how to buy these right. How long does it take to get plans and permits for this? And what does plan and permit cost to get one of these?
It took us around 4 months, and the plans and permits cost us $8,000.
Okay, great. Let's go inside, take a look at it inside, and let's walk through it. And then I want to know what it cost you to build this 1,000 square foot DADU. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so you said this is 1,000 square feet. You're talking about 500 downstairs, 500 upstairs, right? How high is the ceiling?
8 feet.
And tell us where the kitchen, the layout. I think this is the sliding door to the outside.
Yes, correct. Okay. And we have the kitchen right here, L-shaped kitchen.
Yep.
Half bath right here.
Yep.
And basically we have a garage over there, 280 square feet garage.
And this does not count as part of your living space. So when they say Seattle, so you can get it to 1,000 square feet DADU, right? 1,000, that don't count. Just so you guys know, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. And then what type of flooring you gonna put in these?
We're gonna put LVP.
LVP, the whole thing,
yes.
also.
Everything, yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Let's go upstairs. We're standing in the master bedroom. How high is the ceiling on this now?
It was 8 feet, but we did vaulted ceiling, so that brings us more space.
Yeah, I like it. I like a lot of the windows, all right? Like a lot of windows. And, what type of heating you putting in here? Let's know.
We have Mitsubishi mini splits. Mm-hmm. This is very common. A lot of people have been using it. It's very good.
Yeah, I agree.
We have basically primary bathroom right here. We're gonna have double vanity right here with the toilet and a shower.
Nice. And then where we're standing here, this is basically the closet, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have a pretty much very, very big size closet.
How many square feet do you think the upstairs is?
500 square
feet. About 500, and you fit all this 500, all right.
Yeah.
So over here, you got another bedroom.
Yes.
And you got a full bath here.
Full bath, yes.
And you got another bedroom here.
Yes.
How big are these bedrooms, Vitaly, like typically? What are typically bed inside? What do you like?
These are standard bedrooms. They're around like 12 feet by 8, 9.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a very ADU data. They're very standard.
I agree. I don't like going anything smaller than 810, right? If I have to get below 810, it's too small for me.
Yes.
Right?
Would
you agree?
Yes.
Okay. And then what are you doing for bathroom? What are you doing for flooring and on the upstairs?
For all the basically downstairs, kitchen, living room, we're gonna have LVP with the LVP stairs. Bedrooms, we're gonna have basically everything LVP. On the bathroom, we're gonna have tile.
Yeah, I love it. Here is the $1 million question everybody wanna know, man. What does it cost you to build this 1,000 square foot property, this DADU, from hard costs, and we're gonna talk about soft costs a little bit. So what does it cost you hard costs to do all this by the time you're gonna be done?
All the hard costs with all the finish, it's gonna be around $280,000.
Which is about $280 a square foot, which is really good. The average I see right now in Seattle, somewhere between $300 to $350. What does it cost for soft costs, like plans? We talked a little bit about permit earlier, but what's some of your soft costs? Roughly how much is that, all that?
With the soft costs, it's gonna be around $8,000 to $10,000.
Would that include your plans and everything?
Yes, correct.
All right, and permitting?
Yes.
Okay, all that, 8,000?
Yes.
Wow. Anything else? Survey, you probably did that on the other house? What was it?
Survey was on the existing house. It was $3,000.
Okay, but your soft cost for this is about 8,000.
Yes, correct.
So you figure, let's call it 10 plus 280, you got 290 all in.
Yes.
Which is damn good, guys. Now, of course, he's his own builder, so he don't charge his own self as a builder fee. So here's the $1 million question, bro. How you finance this?
Cash.
Cash?
I build it, we build it with my money, yeah.
Your own money?
Yes.
Where did you get the money for this? Somebody's gonna always ask me, where did you get the money to build something like this? Where do you get the money to build something like this?
I've been general contractor for 8 years, so yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up by saying the front house, I think we were talking about at least $100,000 in the front house. The back, what is this thing worth when it's all said and done? How much can you sell it for?
It's around $725 to $750.
Okay, so you 725, 750 minus commission closing cost, minus roughly 290, called 300. This is gonna be close to probably almost $400,000 on profit off the back house.
Correct.
So you got 400,000 for the back, roughly, call it 350, 400. You got about 100,000 in the front. 450 to 500 plus thousand on one deal, bro. And your
Yes.
first deal.
Yes.
How does that make you feel?
Great. I love it.
What are some of the things you learned from this that, you know, because this is one of your first deal. You did a lot of great things, great. There's anything you learned that you're gonna do better on your next property?
Yeah, there's always new stuff that you learn, and there's always changes on the next projects. So yeah, I'm ready for the next ones.
That's awesome. All right, last question. What tip can you give someone who's watching this, who want to invest in real estate, build new construction, all right? What tip can you give them before they start so they don't make the mistake?
Trust the process and work hard.
All right?
Believe in yourself.
There you go, you guys. All right, listen, if you guys like the video, right, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to talk to him, you in Seattle to build for you, this where it is, right there, okay? And you guys, you have any other question about project, breakdown, dollar per square foot, material, leave it in the comment. We'll be happy to read it, answer for you guys. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button for us. Until then, we'll see you all on the next video. Peace out.